Cooking like a pro starts with the right kitchen setup, and a 36-inch gas range is the heart of a chef-ready kitchen. With ample cooking space, powerful burners, and precise temperature control, these ranges make it easy to whip up everything from weeknight dinners to gourmet meals. But not all gas ranges are created equal. Some struggle with even heating, while others lack the durability or features serious home cooks need. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the top 6 best 36-inch gas ranges that combine performance, reliability, and style. From burner power and oven capacity to cleaning convenience and smart features, these ranges are built to handle any kitchen challenge. Check the description and top comment for links to the best prices, and watch until the end to find the perfect range for your cooking needs. Number 6. Monogram ZGP366NTSS. The Monogram is a luxury 36-inch freestanding gas convection range designed to combine professional-grade performance with refined modern styling. Built with a seamless stainless steel top frame and precision machine knobs featuring solid brass accents, it delivers both durability and visual sophistication. Its versatile 6-burner configuration includes powerful 23,000 BTU multi-ring brass burners and dual stack burners, allowing cooks to shift effortlessly from delicate simmering to intense high-heat searing. The reversible 3-piece grates add flexibility, offering a flat surface for traditional cookware and a contoured design ideal for round-bottom woks. Inside, the spacious 6.2 cubic foot convection oven uses a precise air convection system that automatically adjusts airflow for consistent baking and roasting results, while 6 heating elements help maintain even temperatures. A dynamic oven LCD clearly displays cooking modes, temperature, and timer information, enhancing everyday usability. Smart HQ app integration brings advanced Wi-Fi monitoring, remote preheating, customizable LED accent lighting, and ring-lit knobs that visually indicate burner activity, while Chef Connect synchronizes ventilation and lighting for a seamless kitchen experience. Premium touches such as soft close hinges, full extension oven racks on ball bearings, steam clean capability, and precision oven modes further elevate convenience and control. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, this natural gas range is also propane convertible, making it adaptable to different kitchen setups. Altogether, the Monogram blends innovative smart features, powerful cooking performance, and luxurious design details, creating a professional-style appliance that enhances both culinary creativity and the overall atmosphere of a modern, high-end kitchen. Number 5. Viking VGR5366BSP. The Viking from the premium Viking 5 series is a powerful 36-inch freestanding all-gas range designed for serious home chefs who want professional performance and durability. Featuring 6 sealed burners, it delivers strong, consistent heat while keeping spills contained for quick and easy cleanup on its fully sealed porcelain cooking surface. Heavy-duty porcelainized cast-iron continuous grates allow smooth front-to-rear and left-to-right movement of large pots and pans, making multitasking effortless during busy cooking sessions. One of the standout highlights is its spacious 5.1 cubic foot oven cavity, among the largest in its class, powered by a robust 30,000 BTU U-shaped burner that ensures faster preheating and more even heat distribution across 6 rack positions. The oven offers 6 versatile cooking modes, including bake, convection bake, infrared broil, convection infrared broil, convection dehydrate, and convection defrost, all supported by a single-fan convection system designed to maintain balanced airflow for consistent results. For intense searing, the Gourmet Glow infrared broiler delivers powerful, controlled heat, ideal for steaks and high-temperature broiling. Built with classic Viking styling in a striking blue splash finish, the range combines professional aesthetics with practical features like front panel knob controls, a soft close oven door, and LP conversion capability. With durable construction, a large oven window, and a focus on performance rather than smart connectivity, The Viking is built to handle demanding cooking while maintaining reliability and ease of use in modern kitchens. Number 4. Frigidaire PCFG36670AF. The Frigidaire Professional 4.4 cubic feet slide-in gas true convection range is designed to elevate your cooking experience with advanced features that deliver faster, more even baking and versatile stovetop performance. Its true convection system ensures consistent multi-rack baking by circulating hot air evenly throughout the oven, with the help of a powerful fan and a third heating element, giving you professional-level results every time. The 6-burner cooktop provides ultimate flexibility, including dual power burners that can quickly shift from a rapid 18,000 BTU boil to a delicate 750 BTU simmer, accommodating every type of cooking need, from high-heat searing to gentle melting. The integrated temperature probe takes the guesswork out of cooking by monitoring internal food temperatures and alerting you when your meal reaches perfection. For convenience, the oven features a glide rack, making it easy to slide heavy dishes in and out, while continuous grates allow effortless movement of cookware without lifting. The soft close oven door adds a touch of refinement by gently guiding the door to a close, and backlit LED knobs illuminate when the cooktop is in use, combining style with practicality. The range also boasts a smudge-proof stainless steel finish that resists fingerprints, making cleaning simple and maintaining a sleek, modern look in your kitchen. Additional features include a hidden bake element, multiple cooking modes such as convection, bake, broil, and roast, and self-cleaning functionality, ensuring both performance and ease of use. With its combination of professional-grade technology, thoughtful design, and user-friendly features, the Frigidaire Professional Slide-In Gas True Convection Range is a versatile and reliable choice for anyone looking to bring precision, efficiency, and style to their cooking. Number 3. KitchenAid KFGC506JSS. The KitchenAid is a 36-inch commercial-style gas range designed to elevate your culinary skills with professional-grade performance and precision. Featuring 6 burners, including 2 powerful 20,000 BTU ultra-power dual-flame burners, this range gives you the flexibility to sear, sauté, simmer, and stir-fry with exceptional control. A dedicated 5,000 BTU simmer and melt burner allows for gentle heating, perfect for delicate sauces and melting ingredients without scorching. 3 additional 15,000 BTU burners deliver high heat for rapid boiling or intense searing, while 3-level convertible grates adapt to your cooking needs, allowing you to sear, simmer, or nestle a wok directly over the flame. The oven includes even heat true convection, with a unique bow tie design and fan that circulate air for consistent temperatures, ensuring evenly baked pastries, juicy roasts, and perfectly caramelized vegetables. With a spacious 5.1 cubic foot capacity, you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously, whether it's a large holiday roast or an array of side dishes. The dual concentric oven knob provides intuitive one-handed control over both oven mode and temperature, while the Satin Glide rollout extension rack simplifies handling heavy bakeware. KitchenAid's Easy Convect conversion system automatically adjusts traditional baking temperatures to convection equivalents, making it effortless to achieve professional results. Smart appliance integration allows remote operation via the KitchenAid app or through Google Assistant and Alexa-enabled devices, enabling preheating, baking, roasting, and even proofing with saved custom instructions. For a personal touch, the range handle can be accented with KitchenAid handle medallions, sold separately, combining style with functionality. With its combination of power, versatility, and innovative features, the KitchenAid is engineered to meet the demands of both home chefs and culinary enthusiasts seeking professional quality cooking at home. Number 2. Zline CGRSZ-BLM-36-G. The Zline Autograph Edition 36-inch classic gas range blends professional cooking performance with a bold, designer-inspired appearance, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for contemporary kitchens. Built with a hand-finished porcelain cooktop, it features 6 Italian-crafted auto reignition burners designed to deliver precise control, From a delicate 800 BTU simmer to a powerful 20,000 BTU sear on its versatile dual-function burner. The spacious 5.2 cubic foot convection gas oven provides bake, broil, and convection cooking modes with up to 22,000 BTUs of output, helping ensure even heat distribution and reliable results whether you're roasting, baking, or broiling. Premium construction details, including stainless steel tubular burners, a triple-layer glass oven door, and heavy-duty cast iron grates, enhance durability while maintaining strong heat efficiency. Dual halogen oven lights improve visibility, while smooth glide ball-bearing racks make handling large dishes easier and safer. Its matte black oven door, accented by polished gold knobs and handle, creates a refined, luxury look that elevates any kitchen design. Crafted from sturdy 430-grade stainless steel with a one-piece porcelain cooktop, the range is also easy to maintain and clean. Additional features like a quiet cooling fan and stay-put hinges provide extra safety and stability when cooking with heavy cookware. Delivering a total burner output of 71,000 BTUs, natural gas compatibility with optional LP conversion, and enough interior space for cookware up to 26 inches wide, this Z-line range offers an impressive balance of performance, reliability, and sophisticated style. Number 1. Thermador PRD366WHU. The 36-inch Thermador Pro Harmony standard depth dual fuel range combines professional-grade performance with smart, modern convenience, designed to sit truly flush alongside standard 24-inch cabinets for a seamless, integrated look. Its 6 patented star burners deliver superior flame spread and even heating, with 56% longer burner ports than traditional round burners, while 2 extra-low select burners provide 5 precise simmering settings, perfect for delicate sauces or melting chocolate without scorching. The cooktop generates up to 18,000 BTU, ideal for rapid boiling or high-heat searing. The range also features true convection with a third heating element, ensuring multiple dishes bake evenly on multiple sheet pan levels. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the quick clean base and a super fast 2-hour self-cleaning mode, while 3 full-access telescopic racks glide smoothly on ball bearings for safe handling of heavy cookware. The oven includes a meat temperature probe that tracks internal temperatures in real time, delivering perfectly cooked meals every time. The front panel Color TFT touchscreen provides intuitive control over oven settings, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote preheating and monitoring via the Home Connect app, smartwatch, or voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings. The range also offers a luxurious finish with specially crafted gray glass combined with stainless steel, and it is compatible with propane using the Thermador kit. Additional features include a self-cleaning high-heat oven, oven light, clock display, and great-style cooktop surface. The Pro Harmony range is a freestanding single-oven appliance that elevates any kitchen, combining advanced cooking technology, elegant design, and smart home integration for a professional, versatile cooking experience.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.